Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. You guys, so my Glamlite Friday the 13th products finally are whoa, buddy, total glitch in my system right there. My Glamlite Friday the 13th products finally arrived. So I got the palette and the highlighter, and here is the packaging of the palette. Like, it looks like a VHS tape package. Glamlite, you guys, they're just, is that upside down? What am I doing? It is upside down. They are just absolutely killing these horror themed releases. They are just phenomenal. So let's go ahead and take a little look-see at the palette. So you open it up and here it is. And here is the palette. How cool is that, you guys? I love this so much. And then, of course, here's the inside of that palette. Like, I absolutely adore these shades. I know probably the Chucky palette is my favorite so far, but I think this Friday the 13th palette is going to be giving it a run for its money as far as the color story goes. And here is the highlighter. Here's the packaging. And let's see if I can figure out how to get this opened up. It's gonna be really embarrassing if I can't get this open. There we go. I'm really struggling today, and I'll explain why in a second. So yeah, here is that highlighter. And just look at how beautiful that is. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I woke up several hours ago, and like my left hand and arm is just like numb and tingly, and it's been like that for hours, and it's not getting any better. And like, so it's hard for me to use my left hand. And while I would consider myself right-handed, I do a lot of things left-handed, so I'm really struggling. Like, I feel like I can't pick things up, I can't grip things, so if you see me kind of like doing this, or like, it's just because I don't like the feeling, and like no matter what I do, like I can't get the feeling back, so it's kind of stressing me out. But I'm like, I don't know what to do. So here we are, you guys. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into, and I also like pick up my palette with my left hand, so this just might be kind of a weird video for me to film. But let's go ahead and get started. We'll do 2 looks, one on each eye. I'm thinking one like a more reddish blue, and then the other one we'll do like greenish, brownish, I don't know. We'll figure it out, but let's go ahead and get started while I still can, because I'm not sure what's going on with my arm. So let's start out with, if you watched my last video, I filmed my cameras pulling all kinds of effery, and we're doing it again today. So I deleted a bunch of stuff off my memory card. I thought maybe that was it, but maybe that's not the issue. I'm probably gonna have to contact Canon, probably without my camera for a while, and that makes me a very unhappy camper, because y'all know photography and camera video filming is life for me. So really stressed out about that. But let's go ahead, and I'm so sorry, I don't know where it left off. I just noticed I looked up and it said movie recording stopped. So let's go with the shade Camp Blood, which is the shade right here. I'm having so much anxiety now. I'm like, I cannot lose my camera. Like, this is not what I need, but I'm not even gonna go there. All right, so anyway, how are y'all doing? Hopefully things are doing better than the disaster that is my life lately. Yeah, so we're doing the deal. This is a very pretty shade. A little more kind of looking pink tone than I thought that it would be, but that also could just be the undertone of my skin. All right. I mean, it went on beautifully, like, don't get me wrong. So what did I say? We're gonna do like red blue, I think, is what I decided. Hopefully that's what I said. Okay, so now this shade You're Doomed is just absolutely beautiful, and I just need to put that on my eyes. So let's go with that. Such a beautiful blue shade. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that is gorgeous. Hello, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. This is just absolutely stunning. I love, love, love this deep dark blue shade. That is absolutely phenomenal. All right, now let's take that glitter glue. Oh, so, so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love blues. I just absolutely love blues. All right, now let's go in with the shade. Let's go with the shade Nightmare, which is that shade right there. That looks really, really, really pretty. If I can get that stray hair off my brush. All right. That is pretty, very, oh, that is such a pretty blue. Oh my goodness. That is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, I love that. Love, love that. That is such a beautiful shade. Okay, so love how that's looking. That is just absolutely beautiful. Now, for the lower lash line, I think we're gonna go with, let's do the shade J Voorhees, which is right there. Which is another beautiful, 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 beautiful shade. Very dark, smoky. I love it. I do kind of want to, if I can, take just like a regular brush and just kind of smoke it out just a little bit. There's nothing on this brush. I'm just kind of like blending it out a little bit more to really get that smoky effect. It's pretty. Okay, now you guys, for that lower inner corner highlight, let's go in with the shade, oh, sorry, something like, I thought there was like a weird flashlight. I thought my camera was going off again. Let's do the shade Can't Hide, which is that shade right there. Oh, these shimmers, you guys know I am like that shimmer girl. I love Glamlite shimmers. They are just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. All right. So, so pretty. Now for that other eye, I think, let me find my brush first. Is this the brush I want? I think so. Okay, so I think we're gonna start out with the shade Camp Counselor, which is that really pretty green right here, because that is just absolutely beautiful. Is that what I wanna do? Yeah, let's do that. Start out with this pretty green. That is a very, very, very beautiful green. Very pretty. Okay. Now we're gonna go with, where's that brush that I need? Here it is. Let's go in with, let's go in with, now I'm stuck. Do I want to go with Lucky Day, or, which is this one, or Death Curse, which is this one? I'm like, you know what? Let's do Unlucky Day, which is that one right there. It's a little more purple toned. Right. Now we gotta go grab some of that glitter glue again. My brain has just been through it. Okay. Now, let's go with the shade Summer. Do I want to go with Summer Camp? See, I always have these plans and I'm like, wait, do I want to change that? Because, I don't know, the shade Axe, I mean, don't get me wrong, all these shades are absolutely beautiful, but then I'm like, I was looking at the shade Axe and I'm like, maybe that'd be cool. Or Summer Camp was the one I was originally going to use. Man, why are they all so pretty? Like, why? You know what? Man, this is like so hard. Okay, let's go with the shade Axe right there. Just because. I don't know. I'm trying to not go with the flow, which is weird because like most times I need to do that, but I feel like I need to get used to like going against what I think is the right choice. Because sometimes maybe what I think is right is wrong. I don't know. I don't know. Just trying to get used to doing things that make me uncomfortable, and like I usually like to go with like what I stick to or like what I say, but I need to work on like doing the opposite sometimes. So that's what we're doing right here, right now. And this is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and that's the thing. There's no really wrong choice. It's just what I think I want to do and then changing it up, which happens sometimes. And like maybe I need more of that in my life. I don't know. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shade though. Like, so pretty. Okay. Now, for the lower lash line, I want to take this blue shade Masked, which is that shade right there. Alright, you guys. I just want to kind of smoke that out like I did the other lower lash line. There's nothing on this brush. I'm just kind of like blending it out a little bit more. Alright, and now for that lower inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Jason Lives, which is this really pretty silver shade right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. So pretty, so much fun. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go do my mascara. I've got a little bit of fallout to clean up, not too bad, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna put on the highlighter, but also I just want to talk about my lip that I have on. It's the Glamlite Rick and Morty Rick Hologram Lip Kit. It's just got a deep purple lip liner that I put all over my lips. And then I went in with this gloss right here and just put it all over my lips, and it's just beautiful, shiny, sparkle, love it. So I just want to show you guys what I am wearing on my lips. And now let's go ahead and go in with some highlight, because we need that. Have to have the highlight. My blush, it is kind of shimmery. It's the Unearthly Cosmetics Devour Collection blush, which I am just absolutely in love with. And now we're going to go in with the Glamlite Friday the 13th Jason Lives highlighter. Again, here's that really cool packaging and the beautiful, beautiful highlighter. And let's go ahead and get some highlight going for this look, because it definitely needs it, and I love it. Oh my gosh, that is just, oh, I don't want to stop. It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Y'all know I love highlight. I can't ever get enough. Like, did you just see how beautiful that is? Oh my goodness. Okay. So shiny. Okay. I love it. It's beautiful. It's so fun. If I could like highlight my whole face, I would. Alright, you guys. So, another amazing collection from Glamlite. Their palettes are phenomenal. Their highlights, I love them. Again, this was the Friday the 13th Camp Crystal Lake palette. You guys. And just, I love this color story. It is amazing. I did pick up the palettes, the blush, and the lipsticks from the Nightmare on Elm Street collection. So hopefully that'll be here in the next couple weeks. But before I forget, you guys, this is the finished look. Or looks. There are two. I do this every time. But here they are. Y'all know, fun, colorful, lots of shimmer. That's how I like to do things around here. So, you guys, we made it through another video. Thank you. I know I always say this, but I mean it. Thank you so much for your love and support. I am just so grateful for all of you that have commented on my videos, subscribed to my channel, given the videos a thumbs up. It means more than you'll ever know. So thank you so much. And just remember that you're loved, you're amazing, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.